Ricardo Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I love you all, guys. Anyway, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Oh yes, at least I'm looking for my blender. Empty. There's nothing inside of it. Alright. You know what happened? I was at the supermarket and I brought some fruits when I was going to work. So I didn't eat the fruits. And I said, you know what happened? I'm not even gonna put this in the bin or anything. I'm gonna use it for something, you know what I mean, at home. And the only thing come to my mind, I could make a nice lovely juice right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pop my rest of my Judy melon and watermelon straight inside of the Ninja blender like this. And I'm gonna make a lovely smoothie. That's a long time I drink a nice smoothie, you know. And now it is spring, and you know when spring comes, the weather start to get changed. So we all have to prepare for the weather. So now the weather is changed, all I'm gonna have to do, get a few pieces of ice, put it straight inside of it. And also we're going to put a piece of a ginger. Definitely Chef Ricardo, I love to use ginger and all these things. So what we're going to do is just remove the skin from the ginger. Because the ginger, although most people always said, oh, the ginger, the skin bringing a lot of flavor for, yes, but you know what I mean, when you're making certain kind of drink, you can use it in it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut half of a lemon, or you can use lime, whatever you like to use. Simple, remove the skin also, and just pop it straight inside of it, just like that. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to squeeze roughly about a teaspoon of honey in it like this. This honey is finished, but that's fine, we got more honey. Roughly about a tablespoon of honey. We're gonna make a nice lovely smoothie. Pour a little bit of water inside of it, not too much. Put a few more pieces of ice, because the ice is what's gonna make the difference when you're gonna blend it. So what we're going to do now is cover it. Make sure when you screw it on, it doesn't leak or anything. Nice one. And then we're just gonna blend this for a couple of minutes, not too long. It's true the weather is changing now, so we have to change with the weather. You know what I mean? So as I can see, this is just like some mixed melon. We got the cantaloupe, we got the watermelon, and also some Judy melon. So it's a lovely recipe, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. Alright? So let's blend it for a few minutes, not too long. That's how it goes. Nice and lovely. As I can see, it's blended out really fine, but because of the water, it definitely gonna go a little bit. I didn't want that to happen, but you know what I mean, it's fine, nothing wrong, can drink. And this is really cool, as I can see. Perfect look. I like this look, really good look. And just cut a nice lovely chunky piece of a lemon and put at it like this. Nice and lovely. As you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. So guys, if you got things at home, there's nothing to put in the bin. You can always do something with it, guys. And look at this nice lovely drink right here in the springtime and all, guys. It's coming up to summer soon. We will get a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We will be coming with more recipe. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and stay tuned. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.